Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa and I'm a professional hairstylist in the UK. And I've decided to create my own YouTube channel to talk to you about hair, styling. I'm a bridal hairstylist, so any sort of styling tips. But also I'd like to talk about helper hair and wigs, seeing as I'm wearing a wig right now. I have suffered from hair thinning for years and years and years. I've worn extensions for about 20 plus years. I've had every single extension known to man. I started off with clip-ins and then moved on to the more sort of semi-permanent style. Recently I've had the nano bonds, and while I love extensions so much, they gave me such a confidence boost because I'll show you my bio hair in a minute. They were just becoming more and more difficult to blend. My natural hair would start or finish about here, and then I'd have a great huge long extension. Wind was the absolute enemy. Every time that my hair would blow up, all of the row of extension bonds would show, and it was just becoming such a pain in the bum. So I've decided to move on and experiment in the world of wigs and helper hair. So this is actually a wig that I'm wearing at the moment, and that's why I've come online today to talk to you about this amazing wig by Ted's Wig Emporium. So just have a look at this. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? So I'll actually take the wig off just to show you how much of a difference it makes. So it's really easy to remove. Let me just take this off. Like so. Oh, that looks nice. So here she is. So her name is Kasana. She is 20 inches long and she is 100% Brazilian Remy hair. She's stunning. Look at the color. Oh my God. She's just the hair of dreams. So I'm just going to show you my natural hair just so that you can see the difference that she does make. Obviously I've got a wig grip on. Let's get this off. It's quite the look. I've only got about 2 bobby pins holding my hair back because my hair is so thin and fine. So I'll just show you. So here's my hair. It's not horrendous, but at the same time, it's not the hair of my dreams. I don't want to be going out and about with hair like this. This is actually freshly washed, and it's actually a little bit thicker and fluffier when it's freshly washed. When it's started to get a bit greasier and dirtier, it just doesn't. It looks even thinner and more scraggly. But you can see that it's this part really, like this length here. The longer it gets, the sort of finer it gets. I have also sort of trimmed it before, and it's just not the look. It's not the look I want. So wigs are absolutely fabulous for completely changing your look. Now I'm just going to pin my hair back. So bear with me. So the cap size is a cap small. I measure at about 21.5 circumference, and this fits like an absolute dream. I'll show you the inside of the cap. So you've got the clips there. This part I'm absolutely loving. This is silicone strips at the back here, which really helps to make the wig feel really secure. It's got all of that lovely lace front at the top there so that we could change the parting, although I like to wear a middle parting. But you can see the hairline is stunning. It's absolutely perfect. I did buy some like scar tape because I thought I might have to try and help disguise. I watch loads of wig content, and lots of people recommended using scar tape, but I haven't really felt like I needed to. Once it's on, it just looks invisible. So it's a transparent HD lace with lightly bleached knots. They look so bleached to me, I can barely see the knots at all. And it's got a thinned out pre-plucked hairline, just to make it look a lot more natural. Obviously, if it's really thick and lots of hair coming out, it's just not going to look natural at all. So it's just perfect. So beautiful. She's cut layers through it as well. So it just looks really pretty. I did cut a little bit of length off around the face. She was a little bit longer around the face, and I just wanted it to be a little bit more face framing. So I did do that. But I'll just show you her on. So it's so easy to get on. So we start with the wig upside down. I'm sure you probably know how to get a wig on, but for people who don't, I'm just going to dive in and adjust her. It's as simple as that. So it's got some ear tabs here to help keep the wig down and around your ears. It's completely glueless, so I don't ever feel like, you know, I'm going to lose her or I need to glue anything down. And it's just, it's on, it's easy. She's so comfortable, so comfortable. I mean, I haven't worn a wig to this quality before. I've worn cheaper wigs before, and obviously they get very, very hot. They feel uncomfortable, and obviously they look so fake. But I mean, this Kasana wig is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful, so comfortable. And I just forget I've got it on. It's just amazing. Considering I don't really wear, this is the first time I've worn a wig, I just completely forget that it's on. It's absolutely beautiful. So these are the face framing pieces that I cut. So you can see here, I just popped in took a few little inches off there just to give it a little bit more of a, well, I just felt like it looked a little bit more natural on me, but each to their own. But the colour is stunning, isn't it? It's this lovely, like ashy blonde. It just looks so natural. But I wore this wig for a week. I took my extensions out, which was frightening because I'm never without them. And I wore this wig for a week and I just went about my business. I didn't tell anybody that I'd got a wig. And I saw pretty much nearly all of my closest people to me. I mean, my partner knew. I told him because obviously it would be obvious. But I didn't tell my mum. I saw my mum, I saw my mother-in-law, I saw my two sisters, I saw my best friends. I did the school run with the children. My children as well. They didn't notice. My daughter is probably my biggest critique. Like, she would be the person to say, you know, what's going on here. But she didn't notice. I went wedding dress shopping. I'm getting married next year. I tried dresses on with this wig. I felt incredible. I felt absolutely incredible wearing this wig, trying on dresses. I always felt like with my extensions, the hair would go really bitty and just scraggly. I just looked really untidy and scraggly wearing extensions, whereas this just stayed perfect all day. I barely had to even comb it through or anything. It just always looked lovely. I went out for drinks. I went out for a meal with loads of friends. Nobody knew. I think I'm just really happy that nobody knew. I mean, obviously I'm telling everybody now, but I just wanted to wear it and just see. I would have felt quite uncomfortable if everybody was, you know, like, oh, you're wearing a wig now. You know, it was really nice that everyone just assumed this was my hair. I mean, everybody knows that I have fake hair, but it was really nice to think that she is undetectable. I mean, I think she is, but it's nice to know that other people think the same way. I'm going to show you the hair all the way around. So let me just spin. Hopefully you can see. It's just so lovely. It's a really quite murky day today, it being December in England. So I might take you outside just so you can see it in the natural light. There's no sunshine, but natural light still. Bear with me. So yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this wig. I haven't taken it off really, other than to sleep, since I've had this wig. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love that I don't have to worry about a gust of wind completely destroying my look and self-confidence. I don't have to worry at all. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I've been up close and personal with people nobody has seen. I mean, the lace is totally transparent. It's just so lovely, and it's the hair color of my dreams. It's the hair color I've always wanted but never had. But go and check out Ted's Wig Emporium. She's got some absolutely stunning styles. It took me a long time to choose, actually, because there's a lot that I love that she does, and she's so lovely. She's really helpful. Send her a message, send her a DM on Instagram. She is really helpful, really lovely woman, and she'll be sure to help you if you're interested in trying one of her beautiful wigs. You won't be disappointed at all. She has also kindly given me a discount code. So if you did want to order from her, if you wanted to pop in the code Lisa20, that will give you some discount. But yeah, I absolutely 100% recommend this beautiful wig and this wonderful brand. And I'll definitely be raving about her and her gorgeous wigs forever. But if you've got any questions about the wig, please do drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. And if I can't answer the question, I'm sure Ted will be happy to help as well. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will be back soon with more wig and hair content coming soon. Bye.